Hey, what is up guys, how's it up here? And today I'm going to be telling you how to get PUBG Mobile Lite on any Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. All the links used in this video are in the description box just below the like button. So yeah, you can get all the apps from there. Downloading PUBG Lite on your Android device is quite easy, to be honest. So the very first thing you have to do is just go onto Google and search for PUBG Mobile Lite APK, and then hit the first link, that is APK Pure, and then you'll be shown the website. Now from the website, all you have to do is just download this X APK file. Now this is not an APK file, this is an X APK file, so it will not simply install using your default Android installer. So you will need something else to install this file. And for that purpose, we have APK Pure. So the link for this app is in the description. This is not available in the Play Store. So yeah, you can get this app from the link down in the description. So once you have this app, all you have to do is just open this up. Oh, why do you need my calls? Okay, whatever. Just open it up and then go on to this section on the bottom right called Me. Now, once you click Me, you'll have to go to this, scroll down and go to App Management. Now once you're at App Management, just touch that and then go to the top row and then scroll that. Now you'll find this section called APK/XAPK Management. Now here you'll find your downloaded file, that is XAPK. All you have to do is just simply hit install now. So click the install button and then it'll start installing. I'll be back after this installing process has been done. So yeah guys, the installation process is almost done. Now it's just extracting the APK file from the XAPK file. Once that's done, you can install it using your normal default Android installer. So yeah, just a bit more and we'll be there. Yeah, done. So now it's going to be staging the app. So yeah, just a few seconds before we can download the original APK. So just bear with me for a second. This totally works. I've tried it, and I tried it on my Motorola E2 and it works like a charm, like seriously. Okay, so now it's not allowing this, so just go into settings and then allow APK Pure to install different apps on your phone. So yeah, now you can just simply hit install. That is PUBG Mobile Lite official. Hit install. Yeah. So yeah, now it's just gonna install and then you can enjoy PUBG Mobile Lite on your phone. So this is basically for phones with 1 GB and 2 GB RAM. My phone has 4 GB RAM. I don't really need it, but anyways, let's just try. So yeah, it's almost done installing. Yep, there we go, it's installed. And now let me just try opening this app up and see what it looks like from the inside. Oh yeah, the thing kind of crashed. Okay, so here's how it looks when you open it up. So this is the official PUBG Mobile Lite, as you can see. Yeah, there it is, PUBG Mobile Lite. So yeah, this is what it looks from the inside. I don't really play PUBG, but yeah, this is how it looks from the inside. Let me check guest. Yeah. So yeah, this is how you do it, guys. So this is how you get PUBG Mobile Lite on any Android phone. This is basically for the phones with 1 GB and 2 GB RAMs. But see, it says my device is capable of running PUBG Mobile. But anyways, so yeah, I can play this if I want. Now, this weighs only around 360 MB, which is amazing. So yeah. This is how you get PUBG Mobile on your phone, guys. So if you like this video, please do share this with your friends and family to let them know about this cool trick about how to get PUBG Mobile on their phone, PUBG Mobile Lite. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.